Dali lang. That's the PS2. Close up, close up, close up. PS2. Huwag mong ganyan yan. Kasi, camera, it's on recording already, so hold it. Okay. Yes, sir. Alright. Burn it, motherfucker. Wag.
Throw the container. Throw the container. Throw the fucking container.
Container has CFT, which can destroy. You want to have global warming?
Uy!
Huwag mong ganyan na nataakit yung alcohol. Bahala ka. Pumapangit tuloy yung flame.
Oo nga, huwag mo na bilang nga.
Burning.
That's why, Mike.
Akin na.
Fuck, Lord. It's a burning PS2. Arnold!
Throw the container too.
No.
Nice.
I need a stick, man. Just open it. Wag na dyan. Up here. It's hot.
Delicious.
Wala na. Wala laman, Dylan. Wala laman. Plastic burn plastic. Uy! Pagkatapos ito, kaya hindi natin ginawa.
Right.
This could destroy the ocean layer.
Find those.
That's a PS2.
I'll throw it there. What's left of a piece?
See that, guys? The bastard has destroyed this PS2.
Hi, guys.
This is spoiled brat.
Tama na.
Oh, fuck.
Dylan, umuusok eh.
Find those.
Mana.
Throw it.
Open it.
Pause it natin. Pause. Lakas ng usok, parang signal fire. Mina.
Lol. Fuck. Smells bad. Nah. Polluted that damn air. What the fuck? Shit.
It's from the tube.
Yeah. It's from the pH anyways. We don't care.
Fuck this place.
Yeah, fuck this country, you know?
Pause ba?
No? What the fuck?